Okay, thank you for the time given to me. I am Endrycho Putra Silva with study ID number 21120211109. Now I will continue with the body of my presentation with the topic about blended learning. First, let's talk about the definition of blended learning. Blended learning is an approach to learning that combines face-to-face and online learning experience. Ideally, it's both online and offline will complement the other by using its particular strength. Blended learning facilitates the learning process that combines various modes of delivery, teaching models, and learning styles, introduce various media, option for dialogue between the facilitator and the person being taught. So next, let's talk about the purpose of blended learning. So blended learning creates a truly integrated classroom where the need of the type of learning can be met. Keeping students engaged, stimulate, and motivate also help teachers to be more effective and make greater gain with their students. So that can help students to develop better in learning process according to learn style and preference in learning. Provide practical opportunities for educator and student learn independently, useful, and continue to develop. Now, let's talk about advantage and disadvantage of blended learning. In this discussion, I will give you 2 points, advantage and disadvantage from blended learning. Now let's talk about advantage first. So the advantages of blended learning are, first, save the time and money. Students who follow this learning method are not limited by time and space so that it can be done according to wishes of students from blended learning model. And second, learning will be more effective and efficient. Tutor will provide material through many ways such as videos and traditional material. It can be obtained online. With these two advantages, the result obtained will be more optimal. So that's 2 points about advantage of blended learning. Now let's talk about disadvantage. So the disadvantages of blended learning are, first, participants are not supported by educate facilitators. The skill of using facilities and technology must be maximized by both student and teacher, so that independent learning can also be applied properly. And second, internet access that is not optimal. In a blended learning, the use of internet is needed. The internet determines fluency in blended learning. If the internet does not run optimally, the learning process will be disturbed and will be difficult to implement. So that's all about the advantages and disadvantages of blended learning. Now I will tell about what are the benefits of blended learning. Blended learning offers flexibility in the term of availability. In other words, blended learning enables the student to access material from anywhere at any time while enjoying the benefit of face-to-face support and instruction. By implementing mixed learning, students can learn more flexibly. In contrast to traditional learning, blended learning allows students to learn at their own pace. So blended learning can be concluded as learning that mix of combined face-to-face learning with computer learning. It's a combination of various different learning media in order to create an optimal learning program. And of course, it has advantages and disadvantages that we must implement properly. So that's all my material about blended learning. May all those we have shared be beneficial for all of us. Thank you very much for your great attention.